Here I have Peugeot Expert, and let me show you how to change voice volume on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the music button to open the radio or some other kind of music. Then all you need to do is use the down list. So let's select here options. From options, all you need to do is select the audio settings. Let me click it. If you tap the audio settings, you've got access to this menu. So now all you need to do is select here the voice, and now you can change the voice volume. So the voice volume applies to reading of messages. I'm using 15, but I can change it from 5 to 30. So let me use the middle one. 15 is enough for me. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.